Have you ever noticed that just a few strands of gray hair can suddenly make your face look several years older? Every time you glance in the mirror or catch sight of those white hairs mixed into your dark ones, your heart sinks a little and you can't help but wonder, I'm still young. So why is my hair turning gray so soon? My friends, gray hair is not only a sign of time passing, but it also comes from many other causes. Scientifically, the color of our hair is determined by a pigment called melanin, produced by melanocyte cells located at the root of each strand. When these cells are healthy, your hair stays naturally dark, shiny, and strong. But once they weaken or die, melanin production decreases, and your hair begins to turn gray. There are many factors that speed up this process. Age is a natural one that's hard to avoid. Long-term stress and anxiety disrupt hormones. Nutrient deficiencies, especially B vitamins, iron, and zinc, leave your hair without the raw materials it needs to produce color. Genetics also plays a big role. Most importantly, oxidative stress, when free radicals attack and damage melanocyte cells, can cause premature and excessive graying. Right finger before we dive into the methods to improve premature graying. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. This small action is a huge motivation for Live Well Everyday to keep sharing natural remedies combined with science to help you and your family stay healthier and younger. Dear friends, to maintain long-lasting dark and healthy hair, the key is to protect and nourish your melanocyte cells, the ones that produce melanin. At the same time, your body needs enough antioxidants, nutrients, and hydration so the hair follicles can keep working properly. Among natural ingredients, coconut oil is considered an ideal choice. It's rich in medium-chain fatty acids, vitamin E and antioxidants, which penetrate deeply, nourish the scalp, protect hair roots, and slow the degeneration of pigment cells. Using coconut oil alone is effective, but when combined with other suitable ingredients, its benefits multiply. Up next, I'll share with you 4 precious folk remedies that nourish your hair from root to tip, restore melanin production, and help you regain thick, shiny black hair, so you can feel more confident every day. Now, let's begin with the first method to improve premature graying right at home. Clapperboard Method 1. Coconut oil combined with lemon juice. In this first method, you'll need 2 tablespoons of pure coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain fatty acids, the most important being lauric, capric, and caprylic acids. These healthy fats are easily absorbed and penetrate deeply into each strand, nourishing and protecting hair follicles effectively. They help restore the protective lipid layer, keeping hair soft, shiny, and less prone to breakage. Coconut oil is also loaded with vitamin E and antioxidants, which neutralize free radicals, shield the follicles, and slow down the degeneration of melanocyte cells, the very cells responsible for your hair's natural black color. The second ingredient is 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts collagen production around the hair follicles, strengthening the roots. The citric acid in lemon also works as a natural antibacterial, cleansing the scalp, removing excess oil and dandruff, and allowing the follicles to absorb nutrients more efficiently. More importantly, vitamin C plays a key role in melanin synthesis, helping to maintain your hair's natural dark color. When coconut oil and lemon juice are combined, they create a dual effect. Coconut oil deeply nourishes and protects the follicles from within, while lemon cleanses the scalp, improves blood circulation, and stimulates melanin production. This synergy not only helps new hair grow in darker, but also reduces breakage, slows down premature graying, and leaves your hair shinier and healthier. How to use? Simply mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice until well blended. Apply the mixture directly to your scalp and gently massage in circular motions for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate deeply. Then rinse thoroughly with warm water. If you stay consistent and repeat this 2 to 3 times per week, after a few months you'll notice less gray hair, a cleaner scalp with reduced dandruff, and new strands growing back naturally darker and stronger. Clapperboard method 2. Coconut oil combined with curry leaves. When you begin noticing scattered gray hairs even at a young age, or when your hair becomes dry, brittle, and prone to breakage, it's a clear sign that your follicles are weakening and melanin levels are dropping. In this case, you can try the powerful folk remedy of coconut oil combined with curry leaves, a method that has been used in India for hundreds of years to combat premature graying. Curry leaves are packed with alkaloids, flavonoids, and B vitamins, all of which stimulate the regeneration of melanin, the pigment that gives your hair its natural dark color. Additionally, curry leaves contain iron and beta-carotene, which nourish the follicles, reduce hair fall, and slow down the graying process. Clapperboard when combined with coconut oil and curry leaves. When combined with coconut oil rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, curry leaves become even more powerful. Coconut oil acts as a natural solvent, extracting and carrying the active compounds from the curry leaves deep into the hair roots. This synergy creates a dual effect. It nourishes the scalp, restores damaged melanocyte cells, and stimulates the growth of new hair that is darker, shinier, and stronger. The method is simple. Take a handful of fresh curry leaves, wash them thoroughly, and simmer them in 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil until the leaves turn black and slightly charred. Then strain out the oil. Let it cool, and apply it evenly to your scalp and hair. Massage gently for about 15 minutes. Leave it on for another 30 minutes. And then wash thoroughly. Practicing this 2 to 3 times per week will gradually reduce gray hair and make your hair healthier, thicker, and naturally darker. If curry leaves are hard to find, you can substitute with soapberries, bouquet, or Polygonum multiflorum, Ha2O, both well-known remedies in traditional Eastern medicine for nourishing hair, slowing down graying, and promoting stronger, denser growth. Thus, the coconut oil and curry leaf formula not only cares for the hair externally but also works directly on the source of melanin production, the key factor that determines whether our hair stays naturally dark, glossy, and youthful. Clapperboard * method 3. Coconut oil combined with onion juice. When hair shows signs of premature graying along with excessive shedding, weak new growth, and thinning strands, it's a clear indication that the follicles are lacking nutrients and melanin production is declining. In this case, the folk remedy of coconut oil combined with onion juice is worth trying, a solution that has also been supported by modern research. The main active compounds in onions are organic sulfur compounds and a generous amount of the enzyme catalase. Sulfur plays an essential role in forming keratin, the structural protein that makes up hair, nails, and skin. Meanwhile, catalase helps break down hydrogen peroxide, a compound that builds up in hair follicles and contributes to premature graying. By doing so, onions can help restore the function of melanocyte cells. Onions are also rich in vitamin C and quercetin, both of which are powerful antioxidants that protect the follicles from free radical damage. Clapperboard meanwhile, coconut oil and onion juice. Meanwhile, coconut oil stands out thanks to its lauric acid, vitamin E and medium-chain fatty acids, which penetrate deeply into the hair roots, nourish the follicles from within, and keep the scalp moisturized. When combined with onion juice, coconut oil not only helps reduce the strong, pungent smell of onions but also acts as a carrier, delivering sulfur compounds and catalase enzymes directly into the follicles. This partnership creates a dual effect, stimulating thicker, stronger hair growth while slowing down premature graying. The method is very easy to follow. Take 1 medium onion, extract the juice, then mix it evenly with 2 tablespoons of pure coconut oil in a 1:1 ratio. Apply the mixture to your scalp. gently massaging for about 15 minutes. Then leave it on for another 20 to 30 minutes. Finally, wash thoroughly with a mild herbal shampoo to remove any odor. If you use this remedy twice a week consistently, within a few months you'll notice stronger new growth, thicker strands, and a visible reduction in premature graying. Clapperboard * method 4, coconut oil combined with black sesame seeds. When your hair is not only turning gray early but also becoming dry, weak, and lifeless, breaking easily, it's a sign that your body lacks antioxidants and key minerals needed for melanin production. In this case, the folk remedy of coconut oil combined with black sesame seeds is the perfect choice to restore your hair from both the outside and inside. In traditional remedies, black sesame seeds are considered a miracle for hair. They are packed with plant proteins, vitamin E, calcium, zinc, iron, and especially sesamin and sesamol, powerful antioxidants that protect melanocyte cells, stimulate strong growth, and preserve your hair's natural dark color. Traditional Eastern medicine also recognizes black sesame as a kidney and blood tonic. And healthy kidneys are directly linked to naturally dark, shiny hair with less graying. Meanwhile, coconut oil, with its medium-chain fatty acids and vitamin E, nourishes each strand from root to tip, restores the protective lipid barrier, and keeps hair soft and glossy. When combined, coconut oil and black sesame create a synergistic effect, delivering nutrients directly to the scalp while supplying a strong antioxidant shield, reducing gray hair, promoting thicker growth, and enhancing natural shine. How to use: mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon of pure black sesame oil. Stir well, and apply directly to your scalp. Massage gently for 10 to 15 minutes. Then leave it on for another 30 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times weekly for best results. Over time, you'll notice shinier, stronger hair with fewer gray strands. For added benefits, include roasted black sesame seeds or black sesame milk in your daily diet, nourishing your hair from the outside and the inside at the same time. Clapperboard final notes. My dear friends, to get the best results from these coconut oil remedies, there are a few golden reminders. First, remember that natural methods require patience. Nothing changes overnight. Typically, it takes 1 to 2 months of consistent application for melanocyte cells to gradually recover. The first signs you may notice, sometimes after just 7 days, are softer, shinier, healthier hair. This is the signal that the remedy is starting to work. Clapperboard * second, always do an allergy test first. Second, always check for allergies before use. Even though these are natural ingredients, every body reacts differently. Apply a small amount of the mixture on your wrist or behind your ear and observe for 24 hours. If you don't experience itching, redness, or irritation, then it's safe to use on your entire scalp. Third, always choose high-quality ingredients. Coconut oil should be pure, cold-pressed to retain maximum nutrients. Lemons must be fresh and undamaged. As for amla powder or curry leaves, only purchase from trusted sources to ensure safety and natural potency. Finally, after applying any of these remedies, it's important to wash your scalp thoroughly. Shampoo twice with a mild herbal shampoo. Then rinse with cool water. This helps remove excess oil, keeps the pores clear, and prevents dandruff or hair fall caused by clogged follicles. If you carefully follow these reminders and remain consistent, your hair will not only reduce premature graying but also become thicker, stronger, and naturally shiny black again. Clapperboard. Dear friends, nourishment must also come from within. My dear friends, applying hair masks with coconut oil and folk ingredients is no doubt important. But don't forget that truly healthy hair depends on how well your body is nourished from the inside. If you only care for the surface but neglect nutrition, sleep, and emotional well-being, the results won't last. Coconut oil is the foundation of these hair care recipes because it contains medium-chain fatty acids, vitamin E and antioxidants. These penetrate deeply into the scalp, restore the natural lipid barrier, and protect melanocyte cells, the pigment cells responsible for producing melanin and keeping hair dark. When coconut oil is combined with familiar natural ingredients, the effect doesn't just add up, it multiplies. Lemons bring vitamin C and flavonoids to neutralize free radicals, stimulate melanin production, and cleanse the scalp. Curry leaves are rich in iron, beta-carotene, and B vitamins, directly nourishing melanocyte cells and restoring natural pigment. Onions provide sulfur, the raw material for keratin, while catalase enzymes break down hydrogen peroxide. The main culprit behind premature graying. Black sesame seeds stand out with sesamin, sesamol, and essential minerals like zinc, calcium, and iron. They not only deliver strong antioxidant benefits but also nourish the kidneys. And in traditional Eastern medicine, healthy kidneys are closely linked to naturally black, thick, and glossy hair. This synergy makes coconut oil remedies effective both externally and at the root level. They protect follicles, stimulate melanin production, and rebuild the structure of each strand. With patience and consistency, you will see gray hair gradually diminish, while new growth emerges stronger, darker, and more vibrant. Clapperboard nourishment from the inside matters too. Alongside external care, the body must also be nourished from within. Adding dark leafy greens, black beans, and black sesame to your diet. Drinking enough water every day, staying positive, and getting sufficient sleep will help strengthen hair from the roots. In addition, keeping the daily habit of drinking roasted black sesame water or black bean tea provides powerful antioxidants, supports healthy liver and kidney function, and both modern medicine and Eastern medicine agree that when the liver and kidneys are strong, hair will gray more slowly and maintain its natural color longer. On the other hand, if you continue unhealthy habits such as overusing alcohol or coffee that dehydrate the body, staying up late and living under constant stress that disrupt hormones, or eating too much fried, oily, and spicy food that damages the liver and kidneys, then no matter what remedy you apply, the results will never be complete. Therefore, to truly restore your hair, keep it shiny black, and maintain long-lasting results, you must combine both directions: external care with coconut oil and herbs, and internal nourishment through lifestyle adjustments. Only then will your hair be healthy from root to tip, return to its natural dark shine, and help you preserve youthful vitality for years to come. Right finger if you found this video helpful. Please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to *Live Well Everyday * so we can continue walking together on this journey of natural healthcare, helping you regain confidence and lasting youthfulness. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video.